Welcome back, future moguls. Ever wonder what the best business to start in your 20s is? Well, you're about to find out. As we approach the year 2024, let's take a moment to ponder the immense possibilities that await you. Starting a business early in your life can be a game changer. It's not just about financial independence. It's about carving your own path, learning the ropes of entrepreneurship, and setting a foundation for a prosperous future. Does that sound exciting? It should, because the world of business is an exhilarating roller coaster ride that's full of twists and turns. And the best part? You're at the helm, steering your own destiny. So fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to dive deep into the realm of entrepreneurship and explore the best business to start in your 20s in the year 2024. Stay tuned, because what you're about to hear could potentially change your life. So, you're in your 20s and wondering why now? Why is this the best time to start a business? Well, let me tell you, your 20s are like the golden years for entrepreneurial adventures. This is the time when you're brimming with energy, with ideas that are fresh, innovative, and disruptive. You're at a stage in life where you can afford to take risks, make mistakes, learn, and grow. Failure, which is an integral part of any business, is less daunting because you have the time to bounce back and the resilience to forge ahead. Additionally, your 20s usually come with fewer responsibilities. No mortgage payments, no kids to send off to college, just you and your dreams. This freedom allows you to invest your time, effort, and resources into building something of your own. So why your 20s? Because this is the time when you can create, innovate, and dominate. Remember, the earlier you start, the longer runway you have for success. Now let's dive deep into the sea of opportunities waiting for you. The 24th year of the 21st century is a treasure trove of potential business ventures. From tech and e-commerce to green energy, the possibilities are as vast as the ocean floor. Imagine harnessing the power of technology, innovating with cutting-edge software or groundbreaking hardware. Or, picture yourself dipping your toes into the ever-growing pool of e-commerce, taking advantage of the online market's insatiable appetite. And don't forget about green energy, a sector poised for exponential growth as we strive towards a sustainable future. Each of these sectors presents a unique opportunity, a chance to make your mark, to change the world, and yes, to reap substantial financial rewards. So, whether you're a tech wizard, a savvy online marketer, or a green energy enthusiast, there's a business venture waiting for you. But among all these choices, there's one business that stands out from the rest. Drum roll, please. The best business to start in your 20s in 2024 is a digital marketing agency. Yes, you heard it right. In an era where online presence is paramount, starting a digital marketing agency could be your golden ticket. Why, you may ask? Well, let's break it down. Firstly, digital marketing is a booming industry. As companies shift their focus to online platforms, the demand for digital marketing experts is skyrocketing. In 2024, this demand is only expected to grow. Secondly, a digital marketing agency is a cost-effective business to start. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and a knack for understanding online trends. There's no need for a fancy office or a huge team to get started. You can even begin as a solopreneur, offering your services to local businesses and gradually building your client base. Thirdly, the beauty of digital marketing is its scalability. As your knowledge and experience grow, so too can your business. You can expand your services, take on larger clients, and even build a team of experts to support you. The sky's the limit. And lastly, starting a digital marketing agency in your 20s gives you the opportunity to make a significant impact. You're not just helping businesses increase their online visibility, you're also helping them connect with their target audience and grow their brand. You're an essential part of their success story. So, there you have it, future moguls. Now it's up to you to take action and make your dreams come true. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your success is action, so what are you waiting for? Your future starts now.